Jason.
4.5.
Ashley.
5.
Jane.
5.5.
Chris.
5.
It's a very respectable 20 out of 40.
Excellent.
That's a big jump up.
That is a big jump.
That's a big jump. I think I should keep my mouth shut.
Well, that was a very different Anthony Cotton on the ice there tonight.
Yeah, we as Chris has been trying to get us, we've found our glide, I think.
I think so.
Well, certainly more than we did last week. I just should shut up because I say too much.
You've done very well. You've done very well.
Jane, have they found their glide?
Yes, Anthony, you are now skating.
Yes!
Well done, Brandee. Well done.
Chris.
You're on the brink of becoming an ice dancer.
I know!
On the brink.
No, shut.
The only thing I would say, I wish you would have enjoyed it as much as Brandee did.
Well, Brandee loves it.
I
She's
know
so beautiful.
she does. Yeah, but
I just got to be careful not to drop her.
Well, you didn't, and well done.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anthony and Brandee, I love you like never before. That is a big step in the right direction because I knew you had this in you. I really did. That's why I've been pushing you. And I'm glad that you didn't rely on the humour, on the joke aspects of getting through the competition. Now you are in the race.
Only more positive vibes. Smooth, clean, controlled, and a pleasure to watch. Well done.